Stop settling for normal aging. Hi, Dr. Brian here, retired physician and founder of a functional health program I call Health Without Risk. I've spent over 40 years in healthcare, and I've learned that your biology isn't a fixed sentence. It's an operating system you can hack. Every day in the Health Without Risk Inner Circle, we discuss my shining protocol. Here's what we covered this week to help reclaim your vitality as you age. The letter S stands for sleep. We're ditching the Ambien crutch. To get deep restorative sleep, we have to lower our internal gain. Our action strategy: use progressive muscle relaxation to physically release tension and consider L-theanine to increase alpha brain waves without the grogginess of drugs. H is for hormone harmony. Unlock your inner fountain of youth. The action strategy: we're optimizing growth hormone through high-intensity interval training and intermittent fasting. If you want to take it further, the peptide CJC-1295 signals your pituitary gland to pulse more of your own natural growth hormone for muscle repair and fat burning. I is for the immune system. It's not just about vitamins, it's about absorption. You need the key to the lock. The action: pair your zinc with quercetin to get that mineral inside the cell where it stops viral replication during this cold and flu season. The letter N is for nutrition. We closed out World Carnivore Month by proving that meat heals. The action: try the Lion Reset. Beef, salt, and water to identify hidden plant toxins and anti-nutrients. The second letter I is for inflammation. The invisible fire. Most of us are rusting from the inside out due to seed oils. The action: do a pantry audit and ditch the seed oils. They oxidize while still in the bottle and cause massive cellular stress in your body. The second N is for natural approaches to health. We explored CJC-1295, a peptide that works with your body, not against it. The action: focus on pulsatile signaling to restore your body's youthful rhythm safely. And last but not least, G is for get moving. Your grip is the crystal ball of healthy aging, a direct predictor of all-cause mortality. The action: use a flex bar for slow rings, or even scrunch up junk mail to maintain the dexterity and nervous system connection you need for independence. My shining protocol is not just a checklist. It's a commitment to health without risk. It's about removing the interference so your body can do what it was designed to do: thrive. Like and share this video to spread these simple action strategies. Sign up for the Health Without Risk Inner Circle for daily shining protocol inspiration, where we explore options for better health that don't involve a bunch of prescriptions. Thanks for watching. Bye.